Hello and welcome to our presentation of the rvest package within R. The rvest package is an incredibly useful package for scrapping data from websites for use in large datasets or to improve a professional website. Today we will be going over the three primary functions of rvest: read HTML or HTML, HTML nodes, and HTML text. To start, let's use the install packages of rvest and then load the library of rvest. Now we are going to use the HTML function to grab the IMDb Pro top 250 film websites. If you have an older version of R, you'll want to use read_HTML if the HTML function is not working. Now we are going to use the function HTML nodes to read in the data from the website. When doing this, you will need the CSS code that specifies the block of information you need. The easiest way to get this is by using the selector gadget applet. This uses a point-and-click interface to simplify the process. Let's do this for the titles of the top 250 movies. You see I have the HTML page as the first specification and the title column A as the second specification, which is the CSS code. And as you see here, I use the selector gadget to get the CSS code by clicking on the titles and unclicking anything else that was included. Now this comes in as nodes, and if you do titles.nodes, you will see that it comes in an unreadable fashion. To change this, what you're going to use is the HTML text function. This will take the nodes and change them into an array of character objects. As you see here, it read in the 250 as character objects, and you can take the head to see if it was read in properly, which it was. We are going to scrap some more data from the website. Let's begin by scrapping the years and the rating. So we're going to do the same process with year nodes and then years with HTML text. As you see, sometimes data does not read in properly and you have to be able to modify it. So what we're going to do is we're going to substring years from 2 to 5 to get rid of the parentheses, and then we are going to change it into a numeric instead of a character variable. Now we're going to bring in the rating, turn it into HTML text, and as you'll see on the first one, it says go to IMDb Pro. We're going to get rid of that in order to make the data set work properly. And you can do that before or after turning it into a numeric. So now we have rating, we're going to change it into a numeric, and we're going to add a rank, and now we're going to combine the data set together into one data frame. Now, let's say we want to add another website of information in. We can simply do that by specifying another website, such as this infoplease.com, to get the unemployment data for different years. So we have the unemployment page, the years specified for unemployment, as you'll see on this website. We can change it into text. So now we have the year's unemployment, and some of these will have a 1 on the end read in because of the way it is on the website. So you always check to see how it's read in before modifying it at all. So we're going to change it to a numeric and then substring it to deal with excess information we had added on. Then we're going to do the same for the unemployment nodes. We're going to change it into HTML text. As you'll see up here, there's a percentage that we need to get rid of. So we're going to get rid of the percentage, and then we're going to make a data frame of the years and the unemployment, which has the dimensions of 59:2. And then we are going to create a full data set with both the movies and the unemployment data merged by years. Now we're going to order them by rank, and now we have our full data set of 5 variables, 250 observations that we can do statistical analysis on. Now, we decided to do a correlation, and we saw no evidence of a correlation with a negative 0.11. You can do many different statistical analyses very easily with these larger data sets. The simplicity of creating large data sets is very straightforward with this rvest package. If you have any questions, you can use the documentation below for the rvest package, or you can comment below, or there will be links below for other resources that have the documentation about the rvest package. Thank you and have a great day.